Alrighty, boy. I just wanted to do a little test here. Recording my screen and recording my face. So basically, I am in Adobe Audition and I solved the issue. So basically, I just opened a file and you got to make sure that you go to an extracted WAV file. So you pretty much double click that and you see this little thing, this little bugger. So basically, rather than go to favorites, you can just go to edit, convert sample type. Make sure you put it in the mono, hit OK, and then you go to convert sample type again because that puts it in the monophone, and then you go to stereophony again, and it stereofies it, and then you can play it, blah 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 blah. Well, you can't really hear anything, just waves, but then you just go to that. So that's the stereo file. It's very simple. Then you go to File, Export. Well, there's actually multiple ways to do it. You can actually go to the Save As and save it as a wave here, like that. But that's only with an extracted wave file, and I'll show you in a minute. And you can also go to Export, File, and blah blah blah, and save it as a wave. And now, usually when you start off, you start with an XML, which is basically an Adobe Audition project. And because of that, you can't simply save as, because it's just the SEX thing, see, which is the Adobe Audition file format. And because the project is different from the wave format, you actually got to go to File, Export, and Multitrack Mixdown, because when you convert all those wave files together, you got to mix down it, and you go to entire session, and then you can put in a wave. But that's only if you're actually using multiple wave files. But if you're using only one file, you can just go to File, Save As, and then Wave File, and then Export, and then File right there. But you have to make sure it's a wave format like that, and you can go to File or Save As. But it's pretty easy. Alright, good luck, bye.